How to create arrow animations on Capcut Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Capcut application on your device. Now, as you can see, I've already selected a project. So all you have to do is just tap on the project, and then as you tap on the project, all you need to do is you can see the option of animations at the bottom. So tap on animations. So here you'll be able to see different animations options over here. So you just have to search for the arrow animations on your Capcut Android. So as you search for it, let's go through top to bottom just to find the applications over here. Now as we're unable to find, so we're going to check if we have the latest version of Capcut application. So all you need to do is go for Capcut on your Google Play Store and search for it. So as you can see, we do not have the option of update, which means we have the latest version. So we are just going to go back on the Capcut, and this means this feature is not available for us. So we can use any of the other animations and enhance our project. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.